Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am your friend and host Rehan, and I will tell you about a very interesting site whose name is TibetBet. TibetBet is a very genuine and different from all other betting sites. Okay, you have to just take your phone and you have to just play, and in very short amount of time you can earn a lot of amount. So just go on telephone, go to the site tibet.bet and just start playing, and go to our channel's description. There you will get a link and you will go to telegram and you will get a promo code, and that promo code you can get a bonus and play. Just play here and earn some good cash. Okay friends, I will tell you some strategies and some how to deposit and all things. I will tell you how easy it is. Everything I will tell you. Okay, you have to just go on to the TibetBet. See this site, it is TibetBet. See how easy it is. Deposit Paytm wallet, Geo Money, net banking, Google Pay, UPI is in every home now. So think friends, deposit और withdrawal करना कितना आसान है. Just deposit and start playing and earning and withdraw by UPI. Okay friends, I will play some games and show you some strategy बताऊंगा आपको कैसे खेलना है, कैसे जीतना है, और बैठे बैठे आप बहुत सारा पैसा कमा सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स. देखिए कई सारे गेम्स हैं इसमें. तो आज मैं खेलूंगा आपके सामने. टावर खेलते हैं फ्रेंड्स. वी विल ट्रेड टावर. तो टावर खेलेंगे, हम टावर खेलेंगे. लोड हो रहा है, लोड हो रहा है, लोड हो रहा है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, आई विल पुट हियर बेटिंग अमाउंट. मैं खेलूंगा पहले 1500 से. 1500 मैंने डाला, और 1500 डालने के बाद मैं 1500 के बाद मैं इसको इजी कर लूँगा. क्लासिक मोड में कर लूँगा. क्लासिक मोड में क्या है फ्रेंड्स, रिस्क बहुत लेस रहेगा. रिस्क लेस रहेगा, प्रॉफिट लेस रहेगा, बट रिस्क बहुत लेस रहेगा. तो आप सोचिए, प्रॉफिट लेस मिलेगा बट रिस्क ना हो तो कितना अच्छी चीज़ है ये. देखिए मैं बेट करता हूँ. अब मैं बेट कर चुका हूँ. अब मैं यहाँ पे मैंने दबाया, देखिए मेरा खुल गया. ये देखिए ये खुला दोबारा से. ये गया तिबारा. ये ओ लॉक आ गया फ्रेंड्स. कोई बात नहीं, लालच कर रहा है, लालच करना बुरी बात है, बट खेलते रहना है. खेलते रहना है फ्रेंड्स. ओ लॉक अगेन, बट कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, हम खेलते रहेंगे. लॉक लॉक लॉक. वी विल प्ले वंस मोर. लॉक वंस मोर. लॉक वंस मोर, बट वी should not get tenses. We have to just play and earn earn and lock again friends. Why I get onto the wrong way. I went onto the wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. I went on the wrong way. I will go once more, once more, once more, and see friends, I lost. I earned all the amount back. See friends how easy it is. You have to just go, and you have to just go in. Sometimes you have to go into the line and play, play, play. Okay, okay friends, see how good it was. How good it was. It was lock. It was lock friends. No problem, we have to just play and earn a good amount, and we have to just cash it out and get aside. No worries, no worries, no worries. We are getting. Again we got, and again we got. We will cash it out. See, I lost, I gained the profit, and I will bet once more. I will go to again on profits. I want profit, I want profit, I want profit. No, I will get. Oh friends, I was going in a good direction but I lost it. No worries, no worries. We will play, we will play, we will play, we will play, and I will cash it out friends. See, I got the profit friends. See how easy it is. Just no loss. You have to just go on a simple way. You have to just find some straight ways there are, and you have to just go on to that ways. Okay friends, you just change your paths also. Sometimes you will change the path. See, I got once more, and I will cash it out. See friends how I got the lock just down of it, and I just came in front of it and just checked it out. See friends how good luck it is, and you have to just put it the amount, and don't worry about losses. If you will worry about loss, you will go. No problem, no problem. Don't worry about loss. You have to just play and earn a good amount and just cash it out. I will cash it out friends. I will cash it out. I will bet once more. I will go on to, oh lock lock lock. No problem, no problem, you won. See how easy it is. It is friends, it is, oh, no problem. We will go once more. Lock, lock, it is lock. Again, lock. I got the lock, but I will play. I will play. I will play. Oh, friends, no worries, no worries. We are in profit, so we can take risk, and risk makes man easy. I will cash it out, and again I will go, friends. So you have to just play and get on the money and see how easy it is. See the easiness, you can see. I will cash it out. I will cash it out, friends. I was going to click the lock button, friends. Really, I was going to click the lock button. I can't tell how it didn't pressed. I also left it. मैंने भी उसको छोड़ दिया कि ठीक है, नहीं हो रहा है. Okay bro, okay, okay, no problem. We will go once more, once more, once more, once more. Oh, lock, friends, no problem, no problem. We are in profit, so no worries. We have to just go on to the playing buttons. We will cash it out. See how easy it is, how much easy it is. We have to just go, and I will cash it out. I will see, friends. From 28 I raised 44. See, friends, in short time how much I gained. In so much short time, you are seeing how much easy it is. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. No problem. I got the wrong way. Lock, lock. No problem. I will go again. I will see again. No problem. I am getting. I am getting. Oh, no problem. Here, here. Oh, ho, ho, ho. No problem. Here. No problem. I gained. You have to just focus. Don't worry about the losses. You have to just go, go, go. Oh, friends, I just my मेरे लालच ने मुझे बर्बाद कर दिया. मैं क्या बताऊं आपको. मैं भी तो आदमी अच्छा हुआ करता था. ये देखिए, फिर से मेरी लालच ने बर्बाद किया मुझे. बट कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है. लालच नहीं होगा. कहीं कहीं लालच काम भी आती है, कहीं कहीं बर्बाद भी करती है. तो कोई टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है. यू हैव टू जस्ट प्ले, फ्रेंड्स. वी हैव टू जस्ट प्ले, 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 प्ले. I will cash it out, friends. See how easy it is, how easy I am earning, friends. You are seeing how easy I am earning. Just you have to go and play and win. Win, 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 win. You have to go and just go on to playing. I will just go on this. See the strategy, friends. What strategy I am doing? You can only feel it. You just see and visualize it. How I am playing, how I am earning, and what I am doing. Okay, friends, you have to just see it. You don't have to do anything. You have to just visualize. Just do the visualization. I will not going to tell anything. You are just saying whatever. You have to just see and think. See, I will cash it out. In once I got 53,000. I did. Now I will play more and earn more, so I will get the profit. Diamond. See, friends, I got 8,400 again. See, friends, how easy it is. So you have to just go on the TibetBet site, start playing and earning. It is too easy, friends. So you are seeing how easy it is. See, I'm going, I'm going, friends, and I earned. You see, I doubled my amount in so short term. How is it? You have to just see is you are seeing how good it is. Just you have to go and play, and strategy is so good. You have to just see the video, and you will get the strategy. You will find the strategy how to play it, and you have to just go and play, earn, go on TibetBet, and just earn a good amount and just get off. See how much amount and see how good amount I earned. बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट मैंने कमा लिया. बहुत आराम से कमाया है, आप देख सकते हैं, फ्रेंड्स. बस इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, TibetBet साइट पे जाना है और आपको लॉगिन करना है और आपको खेलना स्टार्ट करना है. और आप हमारे चैनल के डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाइए, वहाँ पर आपको एक लिंक मिलेगा जहाँ से आप टेलीग्राम पे पहुँचेंगे और वहाँ पर आप प्रोमो कोड पाएंगे जिससे आपको बोनस मिलेगा और उस बोनस को आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर खेलने में. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. ज़्यादा लालच बुरी बला. मैंने डबल कर दिया है पैसे, और डबल करके मैं आपके सामने आपको शो करके जा रहा हूँ कि 65,178 आई गेन. मीन्स नियरली डबल, मोर देन I doubled nearly 60% extra I got. See, in how much? Only 5 6 minutes only I did. Only 5 to 6 minutes. And see, I got the money, and I will go and just do whatever I want, and I will relax my mind and play. more and more and earn more and more. So go on TibetBet, earn, and तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय. दोबारा मिलता हूँ आपसे मैं कभी और नई साइटों के बारे में बताने के लिए. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय.